last year, we went around and at least 30 of you, maybe a country more, wrote down one-liners to put into a song. And we titled it Parrots at Campland, and this is the result.